Hi everybody, Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap and Reviews. Today I am bringing you a review on the DreamSpa shower, rainfall shower head. So, check this thing out. I'm going to turn my water on and it's on hot, but it's going to turn colors until you get a green light. Let's see. I do have a green light now, but let's see if you can see that. It's telling me the degree of my water. So, when we first, 107. So, I mean, like, I don't know how hot water is supposed to be, but it's kind of going between, now it's red. Okay, 111 red, that means it's too hot, but that's how I like it. So, isn't that cool? Okay, so I will put the link in the description box below. If you like this shower head, give my video a thumbs up, please, and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!